The RaDAR-PPI project is proud to present its matchmaking tool. Launched in May of 2023 to ensure and encourage collaboration between suppliers in order to reach tender requirements in the scope of the RaDAR-PPI project. The platform has been developed in a way that is easy, quick, and user-oriented. The consortium has developed a simple guide in order to help suppliers navigate the tool. The first page you will see is the one displayed in the screen in front of you. Simply scroll down to see the existing profiles for different companies that have already completed the onboarding phase. Please note that all companies are displayed in alphabetical order. Each profile has 3 types of tags in the form of text bubbles above the company name. The blue tag indicates the company's field of expertise, the orange tag indicates the type of enterprise, and the green tags show what the company is actively looking for in a business partner. If your company is looking for a particular field of expertise, you can simply use the checkboxes on the left in any combination you like to find a perfect match. You're also provided with a search bar on the top left corner if you already know who you're looking for. When you find a profile that could be a possible match, simply click on it and a more detailed profile page will open. Here, users are provided with an additional information page with a description, and if you scroll down to the bottom left corner, contact information as website links, social media handles, or email. Remember to be proactive. The matchmaking tool is a window through which suppliers can find successful partnerships, but connections and conversations start with you. Please keep that in mind. The platform keeps no record of a company's search history, and RaDAR doesn't have any information on created connections. In order to create a profile on the matchmaking platform, simply scroll to the bottom of the page and fill out the simple onboarding form. Please note that all fields with a red asterisk are mandatory, but please feel free to fill out the whole form to complete your profile with a website, PDF presentation, or social media links. Once you've filled that out, make sure that you select I have read and agreed the privacy policy and click send. A pop-up message will let you know if your company has been successfully onboarded on the page. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck on the call for tenders.